Hello and welcome to Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I'm Debbie and each week I show you how you can create awesome cards and other crafty projects. Because if I can make it, you can too. So if you'd like to see more tutorials and inspirational videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hi guys, today I am doing an unboxing of a new to me product. I haven't even tried this thing before. I'm going to be actually doing an unboxing for a diamond painting. Now, a company, I'm looking for the name. I will find it in a minute, but this company did contact me over email and asked me if I wanted to try one of their diamond paintings and do a review. So this is with me never having done this type of project before. Now, I did do cross stitch a long time ago. When I was a kid, I remember doing some paint by numbers with my mom, and I think this is somewhat similar. Plus, you know that I do put gems and such on my cards, so at least I've got a little bit of a background on that. But other than that, I have never actually even tried one, and I went with some things that I saw online to see kind of what I could do. Oh, I just remember the name of the company. It's called VictoriasMoon. And anyway, this has been sitting in my pile of stuff to do because I've been so busy with some other projects. And it came wrapped in a poly bag, one of those gray bags. My husband cleaned off that as soon as it came in so that I could try playing with this. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let's see what's inside. Up first, there's something that you know that I will be using. I love this. This is a pin to be able to place the gems, similar to my Marby jewel picker that I've already got. So that is kind of cool. And here you can see on the inside. So this is all rolled up. Okay, and that's all that's in that box. And my understanding is it's supposed to be a canvas that is going to be for placing all the jewels. And look at all of the bling here. I have got a ton of little jewels to go into that, to go onto that painting. And this is going to take me a while to do, I do believe. And looks like here are the instructions with all of the color names and the color symbols. So that is good. That's something that I should be able to follow. Like I said, it's similar, the way I understand it is similar to paint by number. So let me spread this out. So this, you guys know, this is my tonic craft mat. From this end here to this end here is 14 inches. So this is much bigger than 14 inches. I'd say it's probably 20 inches-ish long, and then approximately the same wide. And this is supposed to be some double-sided adhesive. So let me go ahead and just pull down the edge a little bit, let you guys see. And it does feel like it is pretty sticky, but it feels like the stickiness is sticking to the release paper. That is not good. And what do we do when double-sided adhesive doesn't want to work right? We burnish it down. Okay, so let me try that one more time up in this corner. Okay, now that's better. So now the release paper is working better. So, don't know that you can see that, but I'm going to raise it up. So here you can see all of those little dots with little symbols on there. It looks like, based on here, all I can tell is it looks like it might be navy blue, or I'm going to say it's probably navy blue. And looking at these, it says 823 navy blue. So this page is printed quite a bit lighter than the color that's actually on the backing. So if I go by just this, I would not know that that's what that color is. I can guess. I'm going to definitely need to use all of these little symbols to figure out what it is. And then I'm not going to take that adhesive off because the release paper off, because you know how sticky this stuff can be. But here you can see what the finished image is going to be. I decided I wanted to do a beach sunset, mostly because my husband and I have got a thing for beach sunsets. When he proposed to be on La Gomera at sunset on the beach while I was trying to take a video of the beach, of the sun going down. So anyhow, so that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and take a look at the gems and see how those are categorized. Just should be at least enough to do this project. And everything keeps rolling up on me. Okay, so this package, and something I would like to know from you guys. You know I'm always asking you questions because I know what I know, but I don't know everything. I don't think any of us do. Things change so much and so fast that it's always good to get opinions and such from other people. So what I'd like to know from you is, have you tried this? Did you like it? So they do have a comment card, which is good. So if there is a problem with any of these, if anything was missing, if there's any that are, if there wasn't enough, if it wasn't what I expected to get, I do remember asking for that, excuse me, for asking for the sunset. But it basically is so that you can let them know exactly what's going on. And it gives you instructions that I'm going to have to take a picture with my phone because that is too small for me to read. Refer to the comparison table on the canvas to identify which diamond number which corresponds to a printed area on the canvas. That we figured out already. Fill the pin with glue. My understanding is that's wax, but that's okay. Fill the pin with glue, put the diamonds onto the plate, use the pin head to stick multiple diamonds. Okay, so the other stuff that's in here also, besides all of these nice little stones, and the stones are, let me just pull a few of those out. If I can open one of the bags. Okay. So here are some of those little stones. Anyway, they are little tiny things that I still cannot see. And they've got basically a square or diamond shape on the tip, which I believe that is what I had asked for. So that is good too. So we've got a ton of different colors. And I figure anything that I have left over is going to be going on some cards probably. And then in this little baggie is all the little tools. So my understanding is that this doesn't come with a regular kit when you purchase it. I believe they have it separate, and I'll confirm that and put a note down in the description to let you guys know once I know the answer one way or the other. And then in here, we've got a pair of tweezers to be able to, I think, to be able to move them like after you put them down if you put them down wrong. I've watched a couple of videos to see how it works. This little guy has got a basically got a concave tip, so that makes it easier, I think, to pick up. Actually, this is what they were calling the glue, and yeah, that is wax. So if I remember what I've seen on the video, right, you basically pick up a little piece, and now you've got a piece of wax on the end that's going to help you be able to pick up your stuff. And then you can do the same thing on this end, which is where you're able to pick up a line of them. So, and then of course You've got your little trays so you can shuffle it around and they would fall into little grooves on there, and an extra piece of adhesive. So that is really cool. So I'd say probably in the next week or so I can let you guys see my progress, assuming that I've had time to start working on it. But I did want to at least let you guys see what comes in the box. So far it is what I expected, and that is always a good thing when you're ordering from a new company. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. Be sure to leave me a comment below if you have done diamond painting before and if you liked it or not. I'd also love to see any of the pictures that you've taken, because I know you did, over on my Facebook group. So go ahead and join that over there. There's a link to that down below as well. That group is Crafting with Debbie, and I will talk to you soon. You guys have a wonderful day. Remember, if I can make it, you can too, and I'll talk to you next time.